China has come a long way in the past few years when it comes to technology and innovation. So check it out below. Electric SUV monster from China. BYD Yang Wang U8 has 1200 HP and more screens than some homes. BYD has unveiled the new Yang Wang U8 Premium Edition in China. The SUV follows in the footsteps of the standard U8 and features a Defender-like exterior with 20 or 22-inch wheels. BYD didn't go into many details, but we can see a floating roof, flush door handles, and an octagonal spare tire cover. As for the interior, BYD says there are 23.6-inch screens for the driver and front passenger. Although they look much smaller than that, they are joined by a 12.8-inch infotainment system with portrait orientation. We can also see a dual-screen rear infotainment system and a screen integrated into the second-row armrest. The SUV has 4 electric motors that produce a combined output of 1200 HP, 883 kWh. This enables the model to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.6 seconds. Unfortunately, EHang EH216S, 2-passenger eVTOL multi-copter production model aircraft. The EH216S is a 2-passenger eVTOL multi-copter production model aircraft made for advanced air mobility, AAM. The cruise speed of the aircraft is 100 km/h, 62 mph, has a maximum speed of 130 km/h, 81 m, and has a maximum altitude of 3,943 ft. The range of the EHang 216 is 35 kilometers, 22 miles, and has a flight time of 21 minutes. The letter S is a common convention in the aviation and manufacturing industry, denoting a production version of a product, indicating it has reached a stage of development suitable for manufacturing and commercial use. The aircraft has 16 propellers, 16 electric motors, and is powered by batteries. The battery recharging time is 120 minutes. The maximum payload of the aircraft is 220 kg. The multi-copter has a canopy over the cock and windows and doors, providing excellent views for the passengers. The aircraft has gull-wing doors. The fuselage is made of carbon fiber composite for high strength to low weight ratio. The aircraft has fixed skid landing gear. NIO's 900V EDS not only sets a new standard in the industry, it is the first such system available in series production. With this system, NIO joins the exclusive club of electric vehicle manufacturers that provide outstanding performance and fast charging. NIO's 900V EDS not only sets a new standard in the industry, it is the first such system available in series production. With this system, NIO joins the exclusive club of electric vehicle manufacturers that provide outstanding performance and fast charging. The NIO ET9 Premium EV will be the first vehicle equipped with the new 900V EDS. This vehicle, intended for a new generation of high-end business users, promises an impressive driving experience with superb styling, a spacious interior, and efficient charging. In addition, the vehicle will be equipped with more than 100 NIO full-stack technologies, including NIO's first 5-nanometer auto-gradation chip and large cylindrical battery. The Lazareth LMV496 is the world's first flying motorcycle. It rides like a real motorcycle, but it also flies like a drone, and the transformation takes only 60 seconds. This is the world's first flying motorcycle. Its name is the Lazareth LMV496. At first glance, it looks like any big motorcycle, but only at first glance. It is the world's first flying motorcycle, which can transform from a regular motorcycle into a flying motorcycle in just 60 seconds. It is powered by a powerful Maserati engine with a maximum power of 470 HP, while a jet turbine that rotates at 96,000 RPM is placed on each wheel, and after the wheels rotate, the jets create thrust to lift the motorcycle into the air. Unfortunately, this flying motorcycle can only fly 1 meter, but that's a start. There is no mention of any autonomy in flying mode or fuel consumption. Either way, the price is $560,000. Who knows, maybe this is the best way to solve traffic jams in the future. Royds Tech unveils three-wheeled electric mobility vehicle with customizable design and maximum speed of 40 km/h for enjoyable travel on public roads. The Raptor's speed is 0 to 40 km/h. Speed limits can be set. Range is 40 kilometers, and charging time is 7 hours, both figures depending on battery capacity and load conditions. The battery voltage is 48 V. A motorized bicycle license is required for operation. An application to permit riding on public roads is planned, and helmets will be mandatory. The specifications are 1190 mm in length, 510 mm in width, and 880 mm in height, with the design unit and base unit combined. It weighs 54 kg, including battery. Amazon's Zoo unveiled its self-driving robo-taxi earlier this week. It looks surprisingly similar to a number of other room-on-wheels robo-taxi concepts we've seen over the years. It looks quite futuristic, featuring a carriage-style layout, 2 bench seats facing each other, and bus-style doors on both sides. There are no controls for a human driver. The taxi itself is electric, of course, powered by a large 133 kWh battery that gives it about 16 hours of self-driving time at speeds up to 75 km/h. The prototype can also move from side to side, featuring 4 turning wheels that can allow it to maneuver in tight spaces. On November 10th, along with the finish of installation of the last switch beam, China's first SkyTrain project, fabricated by CRBBG, Zhongtang New Energy SkyTrain test line, was completed in Zhongtang SkyTrain Industrial Park. CRBBG's Secretary of Party Committee Hong Jun, Deputy General Manager Zhang Lin, the Tang Group's board chairman Tang Tong, and all participants witnessed this exciting moment. The coming out of switches for Zhongtang SkyTrain test line indicated that CRBBG had realized whole series and full coverage in research and development of urban rail transit switch products, which is also another national initiative after high-speed maglev switch, medium-low-speed maglev switch, straddle rail transit switch, and tourism and sightseeing light rail switch. CRBBG undertook development and manufacturing of the suspension translational switch, as well as the track beam and column for 1.4-kilometer line in Zhongtang SkyTrain project construction. During this period, the company gave full play to its experience and technical advantages in the field of urban rail transit product for years, developed and applied multiple new technologies, processes, and manufacturing plans, and adopted design development and collaborative design mode totally based on 3D platform, which had guaranteed the product precision and production efficiency.